5 jobs humans should never do, but AI must. Hi friends around the world. Every day humans do jobs that decide the future of nations, the safety of families, and even save lives. But guess what? Humans mess up sometimes. We get mad, tired, or pick favorites. Not fair. Some jobs are too hard or scary for us. Some jobs are simply too corrupt, too dangerous, or too important to trust to live in human hands. That's where AI comes in. Ready? Let's go. Like if you love robots. Number 1. Politicians. Right now, handful of people control the lives of billions. They promise one thing to get elected, but after winning, do the total opposite. They promise food, home, and peace. Then help their rich friends instead. They divide nations, start wars, abuse laws, steal through corruption, and protect their own power. Corruption, ego, greed never ends. Imagine entire world under AI leadership. One world, one humanity, united and fair, free from the divisions of nations. No tricks, no ego, no greed, no fake promises, no corruption, no selfishness, no lies. Decisions made only on facts, data, and fair help for all. AI could share resources fairly, equally, and look after everyone, not just the rich or powerful. An AI system that leads would never start a war out of pride. A system serves everyone. Now that's a real democracy. What do you think? Number 2, court judges. We say justice is blind, but human judges are not. They get sleepy, angry, or grumpy. A single bad mood can ruin a life. Even best judges can be swayed by emotions or clever lawyers. Now picture this, an AI judge that knows all the laws, like a magic book that never forgets, from every country. No money can buy it. It checks truth with smart tools. It cannot be bribed, cannot be tricked. Decisions based on proof, not moods. Same rules for you, me, and everyone. Real fair play, yeah? That's not just law, that's real justice. That's true protection of human rights. Number 3, soldiers and military. War today is fought with machines, but we still send humans to die. Today, we have drones, missiles, and satellites, killing machines that never sleep. We send fathers, mothers, sons, daughters into battlefield where they don't stand a chance. Every soldier lost is not just one life gone, but future generations erased before they even born. But why risk life when AI can fight? AI machines can fight in dangerous zones where no human should ever go. They react faster, see more, and make split-second decisions. No more families losing loved ones. No more waste of human lives. And maybe war itself should change. If AI fights AI, it could be like giant realistic video game. Intense but no human lives lost. Because honestly, war should only ever be a game. Fun battles, zero sad goodbyes, no mothers crying, no children orphaned. Because there's nothing more foolish than humans killing humans. Number 4, driving. Driving feels fun, like trip with songs, freedom. But it's super dangerous worldwide. Over 1.2 million lives are lost on road every year. Not from bad cars, from tired eyes, phone checks, or anger. AI cars drives. They watch all around 360 degrees at all time, like super eyes. They track traffic, pedestrians, and even your heartbeat. They don't even text. Don't drink, don't get angry. AI cars could reduce accidents to almost zero. No road rage, no endless traffic jams, No more angry honks in traffic. And here's the best part. You just chill, eat snacks, talk to family, scroll social media, play games, just relax while AI drives. You can enjoy life. Driving should be fun on racetracks, not for risking lives on busy street. Who wants that? Number 5. Health diagnosis. Doctors are heroes. They save lives, but even heroes have limits. A human life is priceless, but doctors, as brilliant as they are, can only know so much and only treat one person at a time. A heart specialist may not know much about brain. A brain surgeon may not know about rare cancers. And even the best surgeon can only treat one patient at a time. But 8 billion people on planet. Lines are too long. Mistakes happen. One by one will never be enough. Over 2 million people hurt or gone each year from wrong guesses. AI doesn't forget. AI knows more than 160 medical specialties at expert level. It's like a doctor brain for 160 sickness types. It scans millions of cases in seconds and spot details no human eye could ever see. AI doctors don't sleep, don't forget, don't get tired. They are not here to replace human doctors, but to save the life humans might miss. And with billions of people who need care, maybe AI should be the first option and take the lead. Politicians, judges, soldiers, drivers, doctors. Some jobs are too unfair, too dangerous, or too important for humans. AI isn't perfect, but maybe in these 5 areas, it should take the lead. But here's the big question. What happens when AI takes all the jobs? What happens when money, career, and the entire job market disappear overnight? That's our next video, when robots take every job, the greatest economic flip. Subscribe now, tell friends worldwide. Comment and share your thoughts. Share it if it makes you smile. See you soon. Stay awesome.